Jai Sriman Narayana. My name is Venugopalacharyalu Gattu. I am in Bentonville village, Arkansas States in America. And I am the disciple of Sri G.R. Swamiji. Here what we are going to be doing, let us discuss first, and then we will discuss the Ayodhya matter. Altogether might take about 10 to 15 minutes. Please join us. And so what we are going to be doing can be done by everyone and anyone. You cannot find a reason to avoid this. You cannot find a reason to not participate in this program. So you might ask that how much time it takes. 1 minute. Which 1 minute? Any 1 minute in your daytime, in your awakened time, every day. How many days like this? Lifelong. So what am I going to get? You cannot even imagine what you are going to be getting. I will slowly explain you that. Now what I have to do? So let us go to a website called narayanastram.org. narayanastram.org. Go to that website and go scroll down. There is a registration. Put your name, last name and email, and it asks how many slokas you want. It is about sloka. Don't say that I can't read sloka. No, if you can't read, at least you can see the sloka. Just see the sloka. Slowly you will get to learn the sloka, how to read. So it asks how many slokas. Everybody gets only one sloka, but that option is given so that those who doesn't have email at home, for them also the one who has email can take. So that is the reason that option is there. Now let us, for an example, you just put one sloka and click the register. Then you will get one email. Go to your email, check that email and open that. There will be a link. Click the link. Then it gives you the sloka. The sloka is given like this. For only one sloka I asked, right? So it says like this: Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Balakanda, first Sarga, first sloka. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, first sloka. Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, first namam. Not sloka, just namam. So all together, 2 slokas, 1 namam. 3 of them together makes 1 astram for you. That is what is Narayanastram, the powerful weapon that you have. That is what is eternal wealth you are getting. So keep that aside. And there are 2 links. One is YouTube channel link, Gattus Karishye Vachanam Tava. Another one is Telegram group link. Both you have to be there. Subscribe YouTube and join the group. It is very important because that is only the way that I can communicate with you all. Only those 2 places. One is YouTube, another one is group. Then once you subscribe and join, there are now you have to, it is your responsibility to search for the slokas. We gave just numbers, right? The search you can do either in Google. Also we gave some reference website links. You can go to those websites and find your slokas, or you can definitely consult your own pandits, purohits, archaka swamis, acharyas, pujaris. There are so many. Everybody is somehow connected to one of the acharyas, right? Because we are in this dharma. So then you get that slokas. Be ready with the sloka. Get those slokas written down on a small slip. Take a picture and save it in your favorites in your phone, and keep that slip along with your driving license and Aadhaar card. Just like as you carry them, so also you should be always carrying this small slip. The moment you are ready with this, how many days you should take to get this ready? Within 1 day or 2 days. Don't delay. Once you delay, you probably will forget about it. Don't do that, please. This is all should be done with 100% responsibility. You will learn how much you will get out of it. So once you are ready with that sleep, that's all. Every day at any time, just read it or look at it. Any number of times, minimum 1 time or any maximum any number of times. Now that is done. Now let us talk about Ayodhya. Ayodhya is not just our Bharat issue. Ayodhya it does belongs to the entire world. So Rama also belongs to every one of us, right? Now the temple is going to be constructed in order to invite Rama. Who has to invite? Not only just Pradhana Mantri ji. Definitely he represents every one of us, but along with him, we all should be joining in that wonderful divine historical occasion. For which, what we are going to be doing is, on 5th August 2020, exactly at 12:15, Pradhana Mantri ji is going to be doing Bhumi Puja in Ayodhya. That is what is news. For which what we are going to be doing is, this is according to India timings. So, I am going to be uploading one video with a title called Ayodhya Bhumi Puja in the same Gattus Karishya Vachanantava in YouTube channel, and share that link to the Telegram group. So exactly at 11:45 you have to open that video and follow that video. What we are doing is, in that video we will also be doing from our own homes, within our meditation, participating Bhumi Puja along with Pradhana Mantri ji. In that process we will chant our own slokas what we got. One Ramayana sloka, one Gita sloka, and one Vishnu Sahasranamam. So that is how for half an hour let us participate in Ayodhya historical moment, and we can also set that milestone in our life that we did Bhumi Puja. Rama feels so happy to see thousands of lakhs of people participating within their meditation to welcome him into that Ayodhya. Not only just Ayodhya, let us make our own heart as Ayodhya and invite Rama. So that process will be done for half an hour, 11:45 to 12:15, according to your own timings. Match the time with the India time, and may it be night, may it be midnight, may it be any time. Let us do it on the day and follow that video. Let us join Pradhana Mantri ji and let us invite Rama. Okay, that is done. Now Ayodhya also we are prepared. So please, that is the reason it is very important for you to subscribe YouTube and join that Telegram group. Now that is there. So here, how much result what we are getting out of chanting this? You know that Ramayana, Valmiki Ramayana has 24,000 slokas. I gave you one sloka. Everybody gets one sloka. 24,000 people will get 24,000 slokas. So one family consisting of 24,000 people is doing their own sloka every day. What is happening now? Every day, entire Sampurna Valmiki Ramayana Parayana is done by one family which has 24,000 people. Right? Along with that we are giving Gita slokas also, right? So Gita is only 700 slokas. So these 700 slokas will be repeated for almost 33-34 times. That means every day this family means 24,000 people, every day chanting 33 times entire Bhagavad Gita. Now Vishnu Sahasranamam, 1000 namams. So 24,000 it will be repeated. That means 24,000 people family is doing one time Sampurna Ramayanam, 33 times Gita Parayanam, 24 times Vishnu Sahasranama Parayana every day. How much we are spending? 1 minute. Is it troublesome? No. So the result, look at the result. One complete Ramayanam, 33 times Gita Parayanam, 24 times Vishnu Sahasranama Parayana every day, that much result. Who's that result? This 24,000 family result. that result, that divine fruit is going to be enjoyed by all these 24,000 people. Is it not right? You know, when we look into a family, in simple family, everybody does their own job. Together, the fruit will be enjoyed, right? We don't say this, I did this, let me enjoy this. We don't say in the family like that, right? So also here, such a huge family, we are enjoying every day just by spending 1 minute and just by looking at 2 sloka, 1 namam, we are getting that much of result, that much of divine fruit. Imagine. And also you can just now think, what can be done to match this? Can you do anything? No way. No way. We can't, one person cannot do it. We have to come together. So like this, it won't stop with only 24,000 people. This will be given to so many. It will be continuously going on. So like this, let us say several thousands of family, entire Sanatana Dharma can participate, because there is no Sampradaya Bhedam here. Everybody, which Acharya or which Guru does not believe in Rama, does not believe in Gita, does not believe in Vishnu Sahasranam. The very pillars of our Sanatana Dharma, Adi Shankaracharya Swami, Bhagavad Ramanujacharya Swami, Sri Madhvacharya Swami, 3 of them believed in this, respected them, worshipped these 3 scriptures and passed these 3 scriptures to the generations. Everybody. So we all belong to one of those acharyas, right? There is no any problem with what sampradayam we belong to. Everybody does it. So everybody must join it. Everybody should take 1 sloka, 2 slokas, 1 namam. Like this, several thousands of people will be in this, and every day several thousands of times Ramayana Parayana, Gita Parayana, Vishnu Sahasranama Parayana will be done. The fruit will be enjoyed by all the people, and also in addition to that, this earth, this Bhudevi will get so much powerful and divine vibrations will be spreaded all over, and thus the Loka Kalyanam will be definitely achieved. That we have to be doing. So we need to responsibly do it, and we have to enjoy this fruit. Now we know how much we are suffering because of all the bioweapons and several antisocial elements, how much they are troubling everyone. So this Narayanastram is most powerful. So the thought process should be like this. When you are chanting Ramayana Sloka, you are arranging one dhanus. When you are chanting Gita Sloka, you are fixing one arrow. When you are chanting Vishnu Sahasranam, you are invoking, inviting, infusing that mantra power into that arrow. Now you say, Sriman Narayana Karishye Vachanantava. You shoot that arrow. This is the thought process. So where it is going? This is taking us. This when you shoot, this is taking us to the feet of Sriman Narayana, and this is leaving us, this is keeping us in a divine protection, eternal protection. Narayana Shabda Matram Vimukta Dukkha Sukhino Bhavanti, right? The moment you say Narayana, all the troubles will be gone. We will be kept happy. That is why we are saying Sriman Narayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Narayana means the one who is all over. What we are saying, Karishye Vachanam Tava means I shall do as you say. I won't go against you. That is what we are saying. With this kind of thought process, whenever you feel despair, whenever you feel depressed, whenever you feel anxiety, whenever you feel kind of viruses are attacking, any number of times you can keep on doing 2 slokas, 1 namam with this thought process, and definitely this Narayanastram, the divine weapon, no weapon can go against, no weapon can defend this Narayanastram. This is proved by our scriptures and our history. Brahma balam we are using, mantra balam we are using, astra balam we are using. So none of other weapons can really go defend this or defeat this. That is why we all must carry this Narayanastram all the time. Give this Narayanastram to every child, so they all will be safe and they all will be successful in every of their effort. Like this, everybody, let us carry this Narayanastram, let us chant this Narayanastram any number of times every day. And also, just like Ayodhya event, we will be occasionally meeting at one day, at one time, and chant all our slokas. So addressing certain particular any occasion. May it be, let us say, because Corona is troubling everyone, for removal of Corona, let us make one day and do these chantings. When we all do at once, the one who is all over there within us will enjoy by listening to this many chantings at a time. And all the devatas, Pitru devatas, acharyas, everybody will enjoy with these chantings, with this participation. And the one who is all over, Sriman Narayana will enjoy, Anjaneya Swami will enjoy, Paramasiva will do Paramatandavam. Like this, this practice, this weapon, this Astra Prayogam, this chantings definitely makes everybody happy, keeps everyone happy, and everybody gets divine positive vibes from each and every corner of this entire world. Now you please tell me how much you are spending and how much you are getting. Is there any reason that you don't want to join? No. If at all you feel that no, I am already doing so much, I don't want to join. If you say like this, the analogy I am giving you, if we are trying to cross the ocean, there are thousands of people. Everybody throws one stone. Thus, we will be able to build a bridge. Whereas, because you are saying, I don't want to join, I am already doing, that is something like you are by yourself throwing a stone into the ocean, so that you are hoping that you will be able to build a bridge. Is that possible? So you have to join this group. So everybody all together can build a bridge to cross the ocean of sorrows. We have to join. There is no reason you have to be aside. So all the levels of people must join, and at some point with Paramatma's Anugraham and Acharya Mangala Shasanam, all those who are following this Sanatana Dharma will be doing this Narayanastram, and we all will enjoy with this. This is not being done by, given to you all by me now. It is coming from First World Stupa in Bentonville. Gitacharya Sri Krishna Paramatma is passing this information, passing this Narayanastram with Acharya Mangala Shasanam to each and every one of you. So let us follow this. Thank you all. Jai Sriman Narayana.